Click the global add button at the top right corner of your screen. Then click Thought to create a thought post. Select the required classroom in which you wish to share the thought post. Please note that, as a learner, you can share a post with a single classroom at a time. Type the content of your post. You can use the rich text options to format your post. You can attach existing materials to a post, upload files from your system, pick files from file storage services such as Google Drive and OneDrive. You can also record audio and attach it to your post. You can add new hashtags or use existing hashtags to easily filter your content later by them. Click the Post Now button to share the post instantly. You can also choose to save the post as draft or schedule it to be shared at a later time. Similarly, you can ask a question from your instructors and peers. You can also give users options to vote for by creating a question with a poll. Simply key in an option and press Enter to key in another option. Press the button on the left to allow users to choose multiple options while taking the poll. As an instructor, you can create activities for learners with a deadline in the form of a task post. Enter the task details and attach a deadline to it to create a task post.